Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to check the chain slider on your dirt bike. This is an '09 RMZ 250, but it should apply to any dirt bike. So I'll show you here. This is the chain slider, and the spot where it's going to wear out is right where the sprocket is, right in front of there. So you can see underneath there, this one's really worn. It's actually starting to wear right through the rubber, so I'll take this off and show you what it looks like here. So as you can see right there, it's actually worn right through the guide. And behind that guide is your swing arm. So as you can see right there, it's actually already started to wear right into the aluminum. So that's why it's so important to check this, because if I let that go any further, that'll actually go right into your bearings, which are right there. And then you'll need a whole new swing arm, which, as you can imagine, wouldn't be cheap from Suzuki. So I'm going to throw a new one on here. I just wanted to show you guys that to hopefully save you if you have a dirt bike from that swing arm wearing out and costing you a ton of money. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.